This is literally my favorite car right now. I absolutely love this car. I mean, come on. Stunning big 58 Cadillac. It's impressive. It's massive. It's style. And then to be restored in the Maybelline paint, gorgeous colors, the white walls and wire wheels. And guess what you didn't know? It has an LS motor under the hood, overdrive automatic, vintage air, leather interior, all the power accessories, stereo, all the goodies. Go to volocars.com. We have 200 classic cars. All will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Cadillac right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I love it. The body work is amazing. It's all clean. It's all straight. It all fits real nice. Beautiful. I don't see any damage or waves. No issues. This is all clean. All super nice. A tiny imperfection right there. A little nick or something. Door fits real nice. No bubbles or rust along the bottom there. Jambs are all painted real nice and slick. Nice thunk. Here's a little chip that's been touched up right at the edge of the trim. This is beautiful. Look at here, the old tail fins. Straight, clean, stylish, huge trunk, all clean, all straight, even down here at the corners. Smooth, beautiful, outstanding body. I don't see any issues with the body. Straight. This side just as nice. Shuts real nice. So the body is excellent. Maybelline pink is what they call it. I call it pink. Some people call the car purple. I see silver in it where the light's hitting. It's like a chromy, pinky, silver, purple color, but I think it's just beautiful, especially on this car. And then it has a white metallic roof that's beautiful. All the chrome, and there's a lot of it. All the chrome I'm looking at is straight, polished, shiny. These look like new. So it's all been either restored or replaced. Even these are nice and bright. All this trim, everything up here. The bullets and the grill are excellent. You even have the gold medallions. These look like new. All of the chrome is, to be safe, I'll say it's all at least an 8 out of 10. Most of it's even better than that. This all looks beautiful. All is stainless. This has been straightened and polished. Coupe deVille. The windshield's been replaced. The gasket has been replaced. And the pillars here are all shiny. Door handles shiny. Look at all this stuff. It's just like jewelry. This brushed stainless is clean and straight. The rear window, excellent. A couple little tiny marks, but nothing to speak of. And then all the chrome back here, also beautiful. The exhaust comes right through the mufflers, or through the bumper. And this here is where you put the blinker fluid, right in there. And of course, it's sitting on the wire wheels with the Cadillac medallion, big fat radial white wall tires. Gorgeous. Let's keep going. Let's look inside and show you that LS motor. Nobody's in the trunk of this one. This one's way too nice for that. Okay, so giant trunk space. Underneath, the whole trunk lid has been custom upholstered. Looks like there's a light here. It does turn on. New weather strip. And then it's all boxed. The side panels are all upholstered. Cadillac embroidered on the back panel. There's a CD changer. And then the rest of it's all carpeted with bound edges. Even there's a spare tire underneath there. So a giant, clean, nice looking trunk compartment. This car will turn heads. Get in and drive it. Enjoy it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so the door panel, that's all leather, custom stitched leather, custom speakers in there, and all the trim, all the chrome, the moldings, all in beautiful shape. The upper part is painted metallic silver. So the dash pad is wrapped in genuine leather. They did a really nice job and they stitched it up real nice. digital gauges. Let me see if I can get them to light up here real quick. And there's about 2,400 miles on the car since it was done. And this also is your shift indicator. When you put it in gear, it'll say reverse and drive. So that's real nice. Tachometer. So all that's real cool. You got a clock. You have the retro stereo with an auxiliary plug, and it's tied in with the CD player in the back. All this is nice and clean. We got power windows, custom AC vents, leather kick panels with the Cadillac V, a nice gray carpet, Cadillac floor mats, vintage air, heat and AC controls. This whole thing here is custom made console with cup holders, a low car shifter. There's also a little microphone for the, so it must be a hands-free stereo. Power window switches down here as well, probably for the back seat. You got these great leather seats with armrests and little compartments. I tell you what, you fit right in them, and they are comfy. All leather, power seat, soft leather. Same thing in the back. You got carpet, you got a mat, you got all leather upholstery, you got an armrest that folds down, custom side panels with the Cadillac V, nice silver painted trim. Then the rear shelf has custom shelf with the V and speakers. And then we got a really nice fitting headliner. It looks like it was replaced with matching visors. The mirror looks new. And then it has a polished column, a tilt column, with this nice leather gripped banjo steering wheel with Cadillac medallion in the middle. Very comfortable interior, like you'd expect from a Cadillac. So the engine is an LQ9 engine, Vortec HO. It's a 6-liter. It's got 317 aluminum heads, and just turnkey, obviously fuel injected. Has serpentine belt and pulleys, stainless steel custom headers. The firewall was made smooth. It has upgraded electric wipers, cadmium plated hinges. All this is just nice and clean and nice installation. We have hard radiator hoses. You got a shroud with dual electric fans on the aluminum radiator. And then you've seen up here, everything is leather and stitched and embroidered and has the V. And then this does lift up. There's a picture on our website. You can see the radiator. Overflow bottle. Nice custom air intake tube. We do have power steering. It's a Hydro Boost power brakes. And yeah, this here will take you wherever you want to go. And Michael's going to go with you for a ride, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Beautiful day here in Volo, Illinois. Got a very beautiful Cadillac to cruise today. 58 Coupe deVille, and this one has a frame-off restoration that's just done to the T's. Absolutely gorgeous car inside and out. It was a SEMA feature car. It has a 6-liter LS under the hood. 4L60E automatic overdrive transmission. Power everything, clear across the board. It's got power door locks, power windows, power steering, electronic power brakes. Let's see, Dakota digital dash here. Got the banjo steering wheel with the tilt column also. Really nice leather wrap steering wheel. And of course the interior. I mean, you're gonna redo a Cadillac interior, you might as well do it the right way. Nice. lazy boy style seats in it. And oh, did I say power seats? It does have power seats as well, if I missed that. But we looped this one around the block. The LS got very adequate power, so yeah, let's show you what she's got. And just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. I mean, that was not even half throttle. There's a lot more there, but you know, it's a cruising car, so that's what we're gonna do, cruising. It does have vintage air also. I'm not sure if I said that. We do got a little air noise coming from this door over here. We'll have our shop take a look at the seals and just make sure that's all good. But the air conditioning is on and works well. Tremendous vehicle. I mean, I've never seen a Cadillac built to these standards before, with this type of power, turnkey reliability, 6-liter LS. I mean, you literally have it all here. I'm so comfortable. I didn't even talk about any of the cracks in the road or anything. I mean, it still has that classic Cadillac ride, but you have so many modern amenities here. Cool motor with an abundance of power. It's a tremendous vehicle. Come test drive this one if you'd like. Maybe even click the buy it now. You know, this one's not going to be around long. This paint, we didn't even get to the paint. This is beautiful Maybelline pink. Somehow it's kind of got like a masculine quality to it. I don't know if it's the gray interior or whatever it may be, but it's a tremendous car top to bottom. Check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.
So this big car was body off frame restored. The floors are all nice and clean, metal painted gray. The frame is all done in a semi-gloss black. The front end steering and suspension completely rebuilt, upgraded with a sway bar. The rear suspension was rebuilt. Real nice exhaust system, follows the X-frame, has polished stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. The brakes have been redone, upgraded with disc in the front. Looking up at the motor, it's clean. It's a 700 R4 overdrive automatic for nice cruising. The fuel system was updated for the fuel injected motor. So yeah, please do not buy this car. I love it. I will be sad the day that it leaves. But if you insist, go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, like how to get this delivered to your garage. And you better measure your garage before you hit that buy it now button. If you need financing or have any more questions, they will help you with that. But again, please do not buy this car. Thanks for watching.